Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Eclipse and making sure your current workspace is backed up. This prevents lost settings. Once open, go straight to Window, then Preferences, and choose General then Appearance. This is the control hub for themes. You do this now because theme changes affect UI, Chrome, and editor colors differently. Applying from Preferences ensures consistency. If you are on Mac OS or Linux, make sure the IDE isn't blocked by OS theme overrides before continuing. Next, pick the dark theme from the Appearance theme drop-down and click Apply. You'll immediately see most Chromes switch to dark. If dark is missing, open Help right arrow Eclipse Marketplace and install a dark theme package such as Eclipse Color Theme or Darkest Dark. Installing adds editor palettes and CSS fixes. Make sure to read prompts and restart when requested. Also, check plugin-specific color settings because editors like Java editors may keep bright syntax colors unless you change their palette. Finally, refine the editor. Go to Preferences, pick your language editor, for example Java or Python, then syntax coloring to match dark background for readability. Once done, restart Eclipse so style CSS and plugin themes load fully. If the theme looks inconsistent, relaunch with the clean flag to refresh cached UI settings. This often fixes lingering light elements. If nothing works, try a fresh workspace or verify your OS level theme isn't forcing light colors. This one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.